welcome to an NV online classroom. Today we will learn Network plus Basic chapter 15, File Sharing. In this chapter we understand how to share the file and how to access the file in our network. We also understand the user level security. Now understand file sharing. Using file sharing concept, you can share your file, folders and data in your computer and access these files, folders anywhere in our network. For that understanding, we perform one practical. Just see on the screen, the client 1 computer and client 2 computer are communicate with each other. The client 1 computer IP address is 192.168.10.1 and client 2 computer IP address is 192.168.10.2. Both computer are communicate with each other. For file sharing operation, we perform some step. In step 1, first of all we check the communication between client 1 computer and client 2 computer. For that we use the ping command. In client 1 computer we run the command ping 192.168.10.2. Now check the communication with client 2 computer and run the command ping 192.168.10.1 on client 2 computer and check the communication with client 1 computer. Perform this step on client 1 and client 2 system. We are in client 1 computer. Open the run window and type the ping command. Press enter. Now we get reply. That means communication is okay. Now we are in client 2 computer and run the ping command and ping with client 1 computer. We get reply. That means the communication is okay. Now perform the second step. In this step we share the folders and drive. We understand how to share the drive. For that just open the my computer and right click on drive and select the sharing options. Now open the sharing configuration window. Perform this step on client 1 system. Open the my computer, right click on C drive. For share the C drive, select the sharing and security options. Now open the C drive sharing property, select the share this folder options, click apply and press OK. Now C drive folder share. Now understand second step. Here in next step, how to access the shared data on remote machine. For that, on remote machine open the run window and type / and type the source system IP address and press enter. The syntax line see on the screen. Perform this step on client 2 computer. Open the client 2 computer run window and type the client 1 computer IP address with / press OK button. Now open the client 1 computer and here you can see shared C drive. Just double click on C drive. So you can see the C drive. Now you can view the C drive content. Now we understand every one account. Actually each and every system has one account. Everyone is created by default. That means every users are connected with every one account. When you share any drive and folder in computer, its shared drive and folder permission is set with every one account. So finally everyone means any users in our system. Now perform one practical for every one account. Actually just see on the screen there are two computer, client 1 computer and client 2 computer are connected with each other. Client 1 computer IP address is 192.168.10.1 and client 2 computer IP address is 192.168.10.2. In client 1 computer has created 3 users, user 1, user 2 and user 3. And in client 2 computer has created 2 users, user 1 and user 2. Actually, administrator user is by default created in by default users. Now perform some step. Step 1. Set the data with permission read and write on client 1 computer. That means in client 1 computer we share some data with permission read and write. Actually these permissions are set with everyone account. For that, perform some step. First of all, we open the My Computer and right click on Drive. Then select Sharing option. And now click on Permission and then select the Everyone. Actually by default you can see the Everyone account there. And finally set the permission. The step see on the screen. Using this step, you can share the data with permission read and write. Finally, perform this step on client computer. We are in client 1 computer. First of all, we check the user level permissions. Right click on My Computer, then select the Manage option. Now open the Computer Management window. Select the local users and group options. Just expand these options. Now you can see users and groups. Just select the users. Now you can see the 3 users, user 1, user 2 and user 3 are created. Now open client 2 computer. In this computer, we check the user level information. Select the local users and group. Just expand. Select the users. Now you can see 2 users, user 1 and user 2. So finally user 1 and 2 are created in client 2 computer and user 1, user 2 and user 3 are created in client 1 computer. Okay, now in client 1 computer, open the My Computer. Now right click on C drive and select the sharing and security options. Now open the sharing windows, click on permissions button. Here you can see the everyone account and the permission is by default read. Press OK. Now each and every account means C drive is shared with read options for everyone account. Everyone, that means any user in our system. So finally we share C drive with permission read. First of all, we log in with user 1 account in client 2 computer. We are in client 2 computer. Just select the user 1, type the password, press enter. Now user 1 is logging in client 2 computer. We are in client 2 computer and now access the client 1 computer C drive. Open the client 1 computer. Just open this drive C. So you can see the C drive content, data and folders and files. Now create new folder in drive C. Just right click, right